Hi everyone! In the previous video we installed n8n on your own server using DigitalOcean. And today we are taking a next step. Connecting Google Sheets to automatically fetch, create or update spreadsheets directly from your automation workflows. After this tutorial you'll be able to create Google Sheets without even opening your browser. Everything will run automatically. To make it easier to go through all the steps of this process, I created this visual chart and divided the entire instruction into 10 parts. I will leave this diagram on my Telegram channel for free, so I invite you to my community. Let's build the world of the future together. This will help you navigate if something goes wrong. First, go to console.cloud.google.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. In the top menu, click Select a project, New Project, and create a new project, for example, n8n Google Sheets. Next, in the search bar, type Google Sheets API and click Enable. Now the API is activated. But before creating the credentials, we need to set up the OAuth consent screen. In the left menu, open OAuth consent screen and click Get Started. Enter the app name, everything you like, for example, n8n Sheets Connector. Add your email address in the support email field. Next, choose External, then click Next again. In the contact information section, add your email once more. In step 4, finish, check the box for I agree to the Google API Services User Data Policy and click Continue. Then click Create. In the Audience tab under Test Users, enter your email address and click Save. Firmly click that button. Then select Clients, Create Client. For application type, choose Web Application and set the name to n8n Client. In the Authorized Redirect URIs field, click Add URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. Next, go to your n8n dashboard and in the top right corner, next to the Create Workflow button, open the drop-down menu and select Create Credentials. In the search, enter Sheets. You need to select Google Sheets OAuth 2 API and click Continue. Copy the redirect URL that n8n provides and paste it into the authorized redirect URI fields in Google Cloud. After that, click Create. A window will appear saying the OAuth client created. Here you'll see your client ID. Copy it and save it somewhere else and click OK. Go back to n8n and paste both the client ID and client secret into their corresponding field. Save your credentials and click Sign in with Google. A Google login window will open. Choose your account. You might see a warning saying Google hasn't verified this app. Just click Continue, grant access, check the permission boxes if needed, and proceed. After that, you can close the window. Now in n8n you'll see the status Account connected. Next, from the left menu, select Data Access, Add or Remove Scopes. You can add all available scopes. These are required for n8n to access and manage your Google Sheets. Scroll down and click Update. And then scroll down again and click Save. Well, that's it. Not too hard, right? Now it's time to test the connection. Go to n8n and create a new workflow. Click the plus button on the right and add a manual trigger node and a Google Sheets node. For the Google Sheets node, choose the operation, for example, create spreadsheet. Under credentials, select the one you just created. Set a title, for example, test, and click execute step. On the right side, you'll see the output. That means everything is working correctly, and a new spreadsheet has been instantly created in your Google Sheets workflow. Now n8n and Google Sheets are fully connected. In your workflow, you can, for example, add a Telegram trigger to read text or voice messages from Telegram and automatically send them to your Google Sheets. So when you say something like today I did some shopping at Biedronka from 100 zloty, your report gets filled out automatically, powered by AI. But that's a topic for the next video. And I almost forgot, on my page at patreon.com, and hurry up to subscribe for free until the end of this year, and the entire next year access will also be free for you. There I post my workflows and a lot of other useful info. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe, so you don't miss the next part, where we'll to combine Telegram and Google Sheets automatically in n8n workflow. I'm Mr. Halatsan, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.